Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. They say time management is about life management. Now, if we want to manage your life, then we must develop the skill of time management. What is time management? Time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between different activities. When we prioritize our activities and we prioritize our goals and we start giving time according to the priorities of the task and goals, so when we start spending time on different activities, so this is called time management. And when we develop the skill of time management, we become an expert in time management. So what advantages do we get? We start managing our life very well. We start getting our objectives easily, and we start having more time for all the important activities of our life. It is said that all the great achievers, they were the best time they developed the best time management skills, and they were exceptionally good at their time management. So therefore, they achieved great things in their lives. As far as the importance of time management skill is concerned, so when we work on time management skill, we practice it and we develop it. So we start getting bigger success or bigger achievement in a short time, or we start showing great results in a short time. So this is one of the most important advantage of time management. Secondly, when we learn the skill of time management and we master this skill, so we become more productive, we become more effective in our life, and we start showing great results in our life. So this is another advantage of time management skill. Another important advantage of time management skill is we start developing strong focus, razor-like focus. So, and we know that focus is important for living a successful life. Our focus is the only thing between successful and unsuccessful people. So it gives us a laser-like focus, a strong focus, and then we can achieve our goals easily. The next important advantage or benefit of time management is it lowers our stress level. As we know that we perform different activities and sometimes we don't have time for all those activities, so we develop stress because of that. So when we learn how to manage our time and then we start giving proper time to each and every activity, then we have more time for all the activities, and we also have free time as well. So it reduces our stress. And this is how we become more productive, because when we are stress free, when there is no pressure, so we can perform according to our talent, according to our potential, and then we can give our 100%, and this is how we can achieve our desired results. When we learn how to manage our time, then we have more free time for other activities of our life. We can spend our free time with the people who matter the most to us, and we can also spend the time on all those activities which give us energy, which make us happy, and which are important for us. So time management has a lot of importance, and if we really want to manage our life, then we must develop the skill of time management. Now the question is, how can we improve or better our time management skill? So I would like to share a few tips with you. If you act upon these steps and you start practicing it on daily basis, so this is how you will manage your time very well. The first important tip is set reminder for all your activities in your life. Make it your habit that whatever activity you want to perform, you must know about the timing of that, and for that you must set a reminder. So when we develop this habit of setting reminder for different activities of our life, so we start managing our time very well, and then we become more productive and we develop more focus for that. The second important tip is create a daily planner. We should also develop the habit of making planning for the day, or to write our to-do list. So when we make it our habit and we make a planning for the day, so slowly and gradually we improve it and then we become the best planner. So this is how we learn about how to create planner for a day, and this is how it enables us to improve our time management skill. The next important tip for time management is we should give time limit to each and every activity in our life. Whatever activity we perform, we must know about the timing of that activity. That I want to, for example, if I want to study, so I should know that if I have a book and I want to read that book, so I should know about the timing. That for how much time should I read this book? For 20 minutes or 30 minutes or 40 minutes. So when I set a time limit for that activity, so this is how when I start setting time limit for my each and every activity on daily basis, and I start practicing on daily basis. So this is how I will develop the time management skill. The next important tip is block out all the distractions. Whatever thing distract us from our work, from our study, from our job, and from our assignments, so we must block out that, we must remove that. And when we start removing, when we start learning about how we can block out all the distractions, how we can remove or overcome all the distractions, so it also enables us to develop the time management skill. The last important tip for improving our time management skill is establishing a routine. When we establish a routine and we perform activities on daily basis, and we learn about those activities, and these are my activities, this is the time for these activities, and I perform these activities. I should know about my sleeping routine. I should